Hello guys, welcome to Tech Envy. Here on this channel, I help you to perform simple computer tricks and hack you can simply do all by yourself without the aid of anyone. If you want to know more, please subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell to be the first person to view any video I upload. See you in the next seconds. Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Envy. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can repair any corrupted files or RAR. I received a message from my previous video which says I can download the screen RAR. I got an error, so I'm going to teach you how you can fix this once and for all, or you can do same to other corrupted files or any file which has been corrupted or has occurred in an error. Open your web browser and type yo.rar repair, or you can use the link in the description and it will bring you to this page. So when you are here, you can read about the software, everything about the software here. Would you like to receive notification about your drivers download? Visit yo.rar repair software. This is the version, so you can go ahead and download it here. So I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. You can click here and you get your download. Okay, so after downloading, you get the software like this. Just double click on it to open. Next, accept. Next, and install it. So you have to wait a while for the download to complete. So as you can see, it is done downloading, installing. So just click on the finish. After installing, just go ahead and open it. Yes, this is it. So come here, browse, click on it to open and select the file that is corrupted or had an error. So let's assume this file we have here has an error or is corrupted. This file here, this RAR, let's take it as if it is corrupted. So you just select it and open here. So after opening, it will come here and you click on the repair.